Alright, in this video I'll show you how I update my Gentoo system. Oh, I'm living in an environment, it's full of honking. The airplane is going, the bird is constantly preaching, chirping. There is a non-stop activity going on, and the honking on the road from the car. My god, it's too much. You just cannot escape it. Anyway, uh, the script I use, which is very rudimentary, um, update system. This is the script, as it is. Simply you can read the comment just top of the each and every line. I clearly describe what is the purpose on each of every line. If I run this script, it will update the system. Let me show you. If I call this, right, see, it start running, updating. Two of the birds sitting on a tree branch, they are quarreling, they're chirping like anything. Definitely some serious kind of family matters is going on in between them. It's been happening for last 15 minutes, and one of them is constantly chirping, other is listening sometime. I don't know what is going on. Okay, look at the screen. It is basically going to sync with the mirror, download and verified with PGP key. Simple standard stuff. Put inside a script file and run it. As simple as that. Bear with me with the sound you might be getting. Oh, they are relentless. Believe me, something seriously going on in their family. The birds sometimes react like human. Yeah. And the honking on the road by the cars, my god, it's quite mind bending. I mean, people drive car without reason, they are honking. Amazing. I mean, these things come to me because these two birds are constantly chirping. My internet connection is not as fast as you might have. That's why this syncing takes a little bit of time, and everything else consequence take a little bit of more time, because my machine is not as fatty or as beefy like your machine is. Okay, I should have taped this line because it's become a cliche. Almost on every video I used to preach these three lines, that my machine is not beefy, my internet connection is not good enough. So instead of saying, I should have played in the very beginning very beginning of every video, so people set their expectation absolutely right on the very beginning, instead of me telling them and give them a heads up that these things are there. Bear with me. So there must be some automated way. I need to find out how could I do that. But it's really sometime annoying. It's high time. I'm sorting out the stuff. I'm going to upgrade. I'm figuring out which one to go for. I have been using ThinkPad for quite some time. X series ThinkPad, and this ThinkPad is showing its age in spite of the upgradation. So I'm looking out for a better one, enhanced one. The only thing is piss me off or keep me away from it right now. I'm still investigating Lenovo's shipping delivery date, which is quite astounding. Reason being, I probably built my own system according to my taste, my need. So that will go to the FAQ and build there and then come back. That is a duration, I understand. But that long, that makes me think and explore other brand too. Anyway, I'm in constant search. See, it is trying to verified the sync what it has done with the GPG key of those people who have signed the packages. And it takes bloody long time. It is taking time because it is verifying with the PGP key, and my machine is not beefy enough. So, and it's showing its sign of age, so it takes more time. In your case, it might be blazing fast. It depend on the kind of machine you have. I'm not going to pause the video because I don't want to do it, so I'm doing it at one go. Thanks for your patience. Bear with me. Anyway, by the time you'll watch, you'll simply skid the scroll bar, right, to fast forward these things. I don't think there will be too much of a change after this sync, because I did it recently. So after this long wait, there might be a very minuscule or no change at all. But all I wanted to show you that it could be done in a one very little script with few specific command. And I have seen people did so many complicated stuff for achieve nothing. I don't know what was the motive behind those kind of stuff, showing those kind of stuff. If simple thing can achieved in a simple manner, do that simple way. Period. In fact, complexity puts me off. If I found something is too much complex, it started to get on me. So I started to refrain from it. And especially when you realize that complexity is not worth enough for the outcome it produces, so certainly I'll step away from that kind of stuff. I did many times and I still do. So whatever I try to make things simple. So for my sake, I don't know, making video in looking for to provide something to other, that comes absolutely secondary. I'm trying to make things easy for me first. If I feel comfortable, then I could have think of if sound very selfish and self-centered, can't help much. But if I don't feel comfortable with it, how could I expect others? They might be brilliant, but that's not the point. So there will be people like me who is not blessed with that kind of sharp bent of mind. We do it a lot of stuff by take so much rounds. So when I do things, I do it in my way, and I represent it in my way. It's up to you whether you take it or not. I'm not imposing or implying to anybody. Never, ever. Now it's finally done, I believe. Again, so many things are there in my machine I need to discard, but I haven't done so. Keep your eye on the screen. It's pretty self-explanatory, right? What it is doing. I'll show you the script one more time once it gets over. So you can, or this script probably right up there in my GitHub repo. If it is not there, I don't know, I can't remember. If it is not there, I'll upload it and I'll give the link to the description section below, so you can tweak and play according to your understanding and test.